welcome back, artistic family. Today I'm doing something I've never done, a double-decker acrylic pour. So as you can see, I'm applying a smaller canvas onto the top. I'll put the details in the description, and I'm just measuring it out so I get it even and using some heavy gloss gel, which is also an adhesive, to apply it to the top. I have a stunning design in mind, and I'm hoping it turns out exactly how I envision it to be, but it's going to be epic, and I can't wait to get started. So sit back, enjoy the ride, and let's get painting. not be any happier as I am right now with this piece. The entire piece turned out better than I expected, but very close to what I had in my head. And every little curve, everything that was left off the dustpan is where I want it. And the colors that are very prominent on the tier levels, which is what I wanted, which is why I did 2 cups, or 2 different cups of layered differently. Amazing. And yes, I said amazing, just to accentuate how amazing it is. So I'm just in love with it. I knew in my head silver, of course, that's the spray paint that I have and I absolutely love. I did the 1 coat for you guys and then a quick coat after. No need to show you it all. But the patterns are just beautiful. Again, like I said, I just left the gaps open because that's all part of it. Like that negative space with that gorgeous flow and movement. Stay tuned for the quick close-up. You won't regret it. And let me know what you think about this. I'll see you all in the next painting.